Hear me now. Most I hear thee in the day of trouble. In the name of the Most High, Jah Rastafari, defend thee. Send thee help from the sanctuary and strength thee out of Zion. Remember all thine offerings and accept thy burnt sacrifice. Grant thee according to thine own heart and fulfill thine counsel. We'll rejoice in thy salvation, Rastafari. Now that the bombs started falling out of the skies, mothers scream and their children cry, cause they don't really care who wanna die, as long as their needs are met. Now you're gonna see the real powers of the beast. World War III technology increases. They're gonna shred each other to pieces. Nothing like this, never yet. A war them a deal with, a war them a deal with, but that now go work. A war them a deal with, a war them a deal with, them a destroy the earth. A war them a deal with, a war them a deal with, them a destroy the earth. A war them a deal with, a war them a deal with. Jah gon' deal with them business. Take a look, and all the nations going to war. Prophecy a fulfill. Traumatized families in separation all over the world. People are being killed. This is the time of revelation. Read about it. Babylon be still. They're fighting for world domination. Now they're all acting silly. A war them a deal with, a war them a deal with, but that now go work. A war them a deal with, a war them a deal with, them a destroy the earth. A war them a deal with, a war them a deal with, them a destroy the earth. A war them a deal with, a war them a deal with. Jah gon' deal with them business. Kids in the ghetto got no food to eat. You think them care a long time we see it. The Rasta man a want, the Rasta man a teach. The Rasta man a plant cause my day off it beat. I see they hiding in their high offices, killing the people, and that's what it is. Full time the people unite, positive, and do away with the negative. A war them a deal with, a war them a deal with, but that now go work. A war them a deal with, a war them a deal with, them a destroy the earth. A war them a deal with, a war them a deal with, them a destroy the earth. A war them a deal with, a war them a deal with. Jah gon' deal with them business.